Let's cut to the chase. No time to cook is just an excuse. You're busy, but your health is non-negotiable. Your energy and focus at work start with what you eat. Forget bland salads and boring chicken. Delicious, powerful food can be made in minutes. Today, I'll show you 5 lightning-fast meals that fuel your body and fit your schedule. These recipes are your new secret weapon for weight loss and high performance. Maximum flavor, maximum nutrition, minimum fuss. Ready to take control? Let's get cooking. No more excuses, just smart, fast, and tasty meals for busy professionals. Your journey to a leaner, more powerful you starts now. First up, let me introduce you to the Protein Crunch Jar, your new office lunch hero and the ultimate solution for busy workdays. If you're tired of bland salads or reaching for vending machine snacks, this is about to become your go-to. It's quick, customizable, and packs a serious punch of nutrition, all in under 3 minutes. Start with a cup of plain Greek yogurt in a mason jar. Greek yogurt is loaded with protein, calcium, and probiotics, making it a powerhouse base that keeps you full and supports gut health. Choose plain for less sugar, or go for low-fat or full-fat depending on your preference. Next, add a generous handful of toasted almonds, pumpkin seeds, and walnuts. These not only add a satisfying crunch, but they're also packed with healthy fats, fiber, and essential minerals like magnesium and zinc. Toasting the nuts brings out their flavor and makes every bite more delicious. Now layer in some fresh berries. Think blueberries, raspberries, or strawberries. Berries are naturally sweet, low in calories, and loaded with antioxidants and vitamins. They add a burst of color and a juicy freshness that makes this jar feel like a treat. For an extra boost, stir in a scoop of your favorite protein powder. This step is key if you want to stay full and energized through long meetings or afternoon slumps. Choose a flavor that complements your yogurt: vanilla, chocolate, or even unflavored for a more subtle taste. Build it parfait style. Start with a layer of yogurt, then berries, another layer of yogurt, and finish with your nuts and seeds on top. This layering keeps everything fresh and prevents the nuts from getting soggy, so you get that perfect crunch with every spoonful. If you like a touch of sweetness, drizzle a little honey or maple syrup over the top. This is totally optional, but it can really bring all the flavors together and make your lunch feel extra special. Screw on the lid, and just like that, you're done, in under 3 minutes. It's that easy. You can prep this in the morning before work, or even the night before, to save time. The best part? It's completely portable. Toss it in your bag and you've got a satisfying, nutrient-packed meal that keeps you away from the office junk food and midday energy crashes. You'll feel full, focused, and ready to tackle your to-do list. Don't be afraid to mix things up. Swap in different nuts, like pecans or cashews, or try seasonal fruits like mango, kiwi, or pomegranate seeds. The formula is simple: protein, crunch, and fresh fruit. Make it your own and keep things interesting all week long. Want to save even more time? Make a few jars ahead of time and line them up in your fridge. That way, you'll have grab-and-go lunches or snacks ready for the entire week. No excuses, no stress. This is how you eat smart, stay full, and never feel deprived, even on your busiest days. You'll have more energy, better focus, and the satisfaction of knowing you're fueling your body with real, wholesome ingredients. The Protein Crunch Jar. Fast, delicious, and totally boss. Give it a try and watch your lunch game level up. Next, the hot desk wrap. Comfort food, reimagined. Use pre-cooked, seasoned chicken breast strips, or turkey, roast beef, or chickpeas. Grab a whole wheat or spinach low-carb wrap. Warm it for flavor and flexibility. Spread a thin layer of hummus and a touch of spicy light mayo for creaminess and kick. Pile on spinach, sliced red onion, and bell peppers for crunch and color. Add your protein, but don't overfill. Wrap it tight, roll it up, foil it if you want to keep it warm. It's a balanced meal: lean protein, fiber, healthy fats, and tons of flavor. No post-lunch crash, just clean energy. Customize with feta or avocado if you like. The hot desk wrap, warm, satisfying, and ready in minutes. Eat smart, feel great, and power through your day. No more sad desk lunches. No microwave? No problem. If you're tired of soggy sandwiches or bland salads, it's time to upgrade your lunch game. Whether you're in a busy office, a classroom, or on the go, you don't need a microwave to enjoy a fresh, energizing meal. Meet the Cold Power Bento, a lunch that's as practical as it is delicious. This isn't just a meal, it's a strategy for staying fueled and focused, no matter where your day takes you. Start with a compartmentalized box. The secret is in the sections. Each one keeps your food fresh, flavors distinct, and textures just right. It's the ultimate way to pack variety and balance into every bite. For protein, add 2 hard-boiled eggs, halved and sprinkled with smoked paprika and sea salt. They're easy to prep, packed with nutrients, and keep you full for hours. Eggs are a classic, but you can also swap in grilled chicken, tofu, or even a scoop of cottage cheese for a change. Next, for your complex carb, toss together a quick quinoa salad. Combine fluffy quinoa with a squeeze of lemon juice, a drizzle of olive oil, fresh parsley, and hearty chickpeas. This salad is light yet satisfying, and it holds up perfectly in the fridge overnight. You can also try brown rice, farro, or whole wheat pasta for a different twist. Don't forget your veggies. Cucumber sticks, cherry tomatoes, and sugar snap peas are crunchy, colorful, and filling. Raw veggies add hydration, fiber, and a satisfying crunch. Mix it up with bell pepper strips, carrot coins, or even a handful of baby spinach for extra greens. Add a smart treat to keep things interesting. 10 almonds for healthy fats, a square of dark chocolate for a touch of sweetness, or a tablespoon of hummus for dipping. These little extras make your lunch feel special and help curb afternoon cravings. The best part? Prep your bento the night before. In the morning, just grab it from the fridge and head out the door. No stress, no last-minute decisions, and no waiting in line for the microwave. Your lunch is ready when you are. This bento keeps you full, satisfied, and away from vending machines or takeout temptations. You'll feel energized, focused, and proud of your healthy choice, no matter how busy your day gets. Want to mix it up? Swap in smoked salmon, lentils, or different veggies for endless variety. Try roasted sweet potatoes, edamame, or even a few slices of avocado. The combinations are limitless, so you'll never get bored. With the Cold Power Bento, you get portion control, meal balance, and preparation, all in one box. It's a simple system that helps you eat well, save money, and avoid food waste. The Cold Power Bento is your no heat, no excuses lunch solution. It's perfect for anyone who wants to eat better, feel better, and make lunchtime something to look forward to. Stay on track, even on your busiest days. Healthy eating made effortless. Beautiful. With a little planning, you can enjoy a fresh, balanced meal anywhere, no microwave required. After a long day, skip the takeout. Make the 5-minute skillet egg bowl. Heat a non-stick skillet, add a handful of spinach to wilt. Whisk 2 eggs with a splash of water, salt, and pepper. Pour eggs next to the spinach, let set, then gently fold for soft, fluffy curds. Stir in the spinach, sprinkle with feta or parmesan and a pinch of chili flakes. Slide into a bowl, done in minutes. It's protein-packed, filling, and loaded with nutrients. Add mushrooms, tomatoes, or leftover chicken if you like. This bowl is your emergency dinner, breakfast, or lunch. Fast, satisfying, and keeps you on track. No more excuses, just real food, real quick. The Skillet Egg Bowl, your new go-to meal. Eat well, feel better, every time. Mornings can be hectic, and sometimes it feels impossible to fit in a healthy breakfast when you're racing against the clock. But with the fat-burning smoothie meal, you can fuel your body in just minutes, no matter how busy your schedule is. This smoothie is designed for people on the go, quick, nutritious, and delicious. Start by grabbing your blender. Pour in 1 cup of unsweetened almond milk for a creamy, low-calorie base. Add 1 scoop of your favorite protein powder to keep you full and energized all morning. Toss in a generous handful of fresh spinach. Don't worry, you won't even taste it, but you'll get a boost of vitamins and minerals. Next, add 1 tablespoon of almond butter, or, if you prefer, a quarter of a ripe avocado. Both options provide healthy fats that help keep cravings at bay and support your metabolism, so you stay satisfied longer. Sprinkle in 1 tablespoon of chia seeds or flaxseed. These tiny seeds are packed with fiber and omega-3s, which are great for digestion and heart health. For natural sweetness and a punch of antioxidants, add half a cup of frozen berries. Blueberries, strawberries, or raspberries all work perfectly. They give your smoothie a vibrant color and a refreshing taste. Secure the lid and blend everything together for about 60 seconds until the mixture is smooth and creamy. The result is a thick, satisfying smoothie that's ready to power your morning. Pour your smoothie into a travel mug or shaker bottle. In less than 90 seconds, you've made a complete meal you can take anywhere. This isn't just a snack, it's a balanced meal. You get high-quality protein, healthy fats, fiber, and antioxidants all in one cup. It's everything your body needs to stay energized, focused, and satisfied. The fat-burning smoothie keeps you full for hours, supports your fat loss goals, and helps you avoid those tempting, unhealthy choices when you're out and about. Unlike sugary coffee drinks or pastries, this smoothie is low in sugar and high in nutrients. It's smart, balanced nutrition that fits your lifestyle. Whether you're driving, riding the train, or already at your desk, you can sip your smoothie and know you're fueling your body the right way. The fat-burning smoothie is your secret weapon for busy mornings. It's the ultimate get-out-the-door fast meal that doesn't sacrifice nutrition for convenience. No more skipped breakfasts, no more grabbing pastries or fast food. With this smoothie, you're making a healthy choice that sets the tone for your entire day. In just 90 seconds, you can blend, pour, and be out the door, fueled and ready to take on whatever comes your way. Stay on track, even on your busiest mornings. With the fat-burning smoothie meal, you're not just saving time, you're investing in your health, your energy, and your success. Now that's brilliant. There you have it. 5 fast, powerful meals for busy professionals. No more excuses, just smart choices and simple recipes. Try one this week, then another. Soon, healthy eating will be second nature. You're in control of your plate and your results. Consistency beats perfection. Just start. These meals are your foundation for a leaner, stronger you. Like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more time-saving weight loss tips. Now, get in the kitchen and make it happen.